To use voice typing on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, first of all, we have to set this up. So we can do this by opening the settings, go to the system, open languages, open keyboard, and go for on-screen keyboard. And we have to go for Gboard and Google Voice Typing, but first let's start here. Open it. What can I recommend you to turn off that block offensive words filter, and now go for the language that you are gonna use. So for me that will be English, United States. Well, can see it, it's here. Click Save. Now turn off that language one more time and click to add a language for offline recognition, because you have to remember that voice typing only works when you got connection with Wi-Fi or mobile data. If not, it will be not possible to, for example, make offline notes. So make sure that your language will be downloaded. So as you can see, I just select English United States. I have to download this one more time. Now we have to go back at what I can also recommend you to enable auto updates over mobile data and the Wi-Fi, and here we can confirm if your language pack is available. Now go back from this one and go to the Gboard. Then go to the voice typing. Make sure that it will be enabled, and also we can turn on the faster voice typing. It's even available for offline. Now open your keyboard and you are looking for the microphone icon that will be available here. For the first time you will have to grant permission to record audio, and now you can just start saying, and this should be available here. But sometimes, like in my case, as you can see, it's just not working. And this is the common problem of the Gboard. When you set this up for the first time, you have to wait for a few minutes, or in the most cases you have to restart your phone, because it's some kind of the bug that appears for like few months. Before, like 1 or 2 years ago, it wasn't here, but right now the problem appears, so I believe Google gonna fix this. But this is just a short tip that I can give you how you can actually fix this. As you can see, for me it's still okay. Now it just starts working, so it actually depends on the phone model that you are using.